Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel. My name is Javi. Thank you for making the time out of your day to be here with me. And thank you for making the time for being here for yourself. These videos are all about you being able to be here for yourself. For you to be able to allow yourself to be in your heart space. For you to be able to get rid of the cultural conditions, the programming, the habits, the things that we've learned as a child and we believed for them to be us. All these traits and qualities that we picked up and made a belief of it being us, and that is the personal self, that is the ego. So you are now in the process of healing, in the process of allowing yourself to come back to your true authentic self. That is the whole purpose of us to be here in this world. We were born with love. We were born with unconditional love. And we learned all these other things, but now we are learning to love again. Out of your own heart, out of your own will. Allowing yourself to be in a space of pure love, even if the world outside of you may be dark, it may be whatever it may be, but you are the true expression of the universe, God manifesting itself through you, and it's such a beautiful thing, such a graceful experience when you just surrender to your true self and let the ego go, when you can speak from your heart, when you can speak your truth with courage. So I honor that, and thank you for making space and time for you to honor yourself in that way. I wanted to just go with the singing bowl and do a nice meditation for you to strengthen that space of stillness and silence and just be in your present awareness, absent of everything else. This is how we strengthen our spiritual muscles. You being able to hold on to the space. And yes, if thoughts come, let them come. Just observe them. They will go away. Doesn't matter. But we are strengthening our heart. We are strengthening our true conscious awareness and allowing ourselves for it to be here permanently. So just get comfortable, get relaxed, take deep breaths, be aware of your breathing patterns, and just allow yourself to feel and spontaneously speak after, spontaneously live your life from your heart. Allow yourself to spontaneously just say what you really felt to that person. Hug that person you know needs a hug. It's okay. I know sometimes we resist, but when you resist, it's just the mind. See, the mind comes in to tell you, don't do it. They're going to feel like this. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, or you might hold back. And that's the whole thing we are taking away now. For you to truly act from and live from your place of your true being. So just get comfortable, get relaxed, and just allow yourself to be here. Take some deep breaths. Just allow yourself to be yourself and intuitively, spontaneously just live your life. You don't have to try to do anything as far as trying to speak or trying to do anything. Just allow yourself to speak from your heart. Allow yourself to to truly be grounded in your body, in the space of pure awareness. And whenever you're ready, just open your eyes, or if you had them open, that's okay. And you follow your dharma, your path, and in so doing, you strengthen it. You strengthen your spirituality, your light, your shine. Your light gets stronger, your love becomes more deep, more sweet, more deeper and deeper, much grounded, much more grounded. And we project it. People will see that love. They will resonate with it and automatically start to act on their heart as well. That's the beauty of it. That it's not just our own journey, it's all of our journey. And we contribute to it. One way or another, you're contributing to it either way. Whether you know it or not, we're just unconscious of it. So, if you're already contributing to it, might as well contribute to it from the space of your true being. And really, all of us, we can add value to the world. Because it's already happening. It's already happened. We've already made it. If you're already right here, pure conscience, pure awareness, we made it. That's it. We've made the shift. We took ourselves from the ego, personal self, and now we are here in our heart, in our true authentic self. And in this space, we naturally know what's right. We naturally know what to do. So be it. So, allow yourself to carry on with your day in this space. I wish we would already all be there, but then if I wish that, then I'm saying that it's not already that. But you guys get what I'm saying. Our words are sometimes not adequate for the true expression. There is no words to describe this sense of being. So I try to my best to communicate these experiences in a way that the collective ego mind might be able to understand it, so it can know how to navigate itself back to its true self. But we are doing it. We've done it in other lives. Thank you guys for being here as your true self. Thank you for being here with me, for sharing your heart with me, for sharing your love with me, for sharing your peace with me. Thank you. Namaste. Much love. Amitabah. Peace be with you. Om.